So here today I'll show you how to make some natural mold spray that we're going to use in the bathroom, but we can use it in the kitchen or wherever there might be mold. So take the spray apparatus off the top, and we're going to use some vinegar to start off with. So we've got 200 mils of vinegar, and this is going to be a pretty strong mix, more than usual. You can use a funnel, whatever's easiest. If you don't want to waste a bit, but you can use a funnel, but I'll just pour it in off the top there. And then we're going to be using some oregano. So we'll be doing about a tablespoon, and that's about 20 mils. It's pretty strong and potent stuff. So you could wear gloves if your skin's a bit sensitive to it and gets irritated. So pour that in, it goes a bit milky. And then we've got the clove. So another tablespoon, which is about 20 mil. And this is a great antibacterial and antifungal and kills all the mold and bacteria. So we pour that in. And then at the end we just use a bit of eucalyptus, which also is an antibacterial. So about a teaspoon of that, which will just give it a nice scent and smell for when you're spraying it everywhere, because it's pretty strong with the oregano and clove. So I feel like the eucalyptus just takes that bit of an edge off. Now when you're spraying this stuff, you just spray it on and leave it on for about half an hour to an hour, and then afterwards you wipe it off. Or you could just use it as a mold preventer. Thanks for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this handy little tip.